I'm Jean, I'm a veterinary nurse for Asda Pet Insurance Vet Helpline. I've been a veterinary nurse for 15 years and I'm here to help you care for your pet. Most cats will regurgitate a fur ball from time to time. We're quite used to seeing that. Some cats will vomit. Now this is usually down to a dietary indiscretion in that they've been fed something different or they've eaten some wildlife that hasn't agreed with them. Often, providing that the cat's well in itself, we can hope to settle these things down at home without the need to contact the vet, providing we've asked ourselves a few questions first. So first of all, we need to ask ourselves, has the cat been in contact with anything that could be toxic? This could be human medications, it could be antifreeze, it could be lilies, it could be other things that have the potential to cause problems. Again, we could be looking at foreign bodies. The other thing we need to consider is the cat very old? Is the cat very young? Has the cat got any underlying medical conditions? Is it on any medications? If the answer to these questions is yes, then you will need to contact the vet. The other thing we need to consider is whether the cat's been vomiting over 24 hours. If it's been vomiting over 24 hours and it's unwell in itself, you will need to contact the vet. Same applies if this has been a period of intermittent vomiting over a period of perhaps days or weeks. So providing the cat's well in itself, what we do is 24 hours of nothing to eat. If it's a young cat under 6 months old, providing it's not a kitten, we can starve it just for a maximum of 6 hours. Now what starvation means is nothing to eat, but it must have water. It can be quite difficult sometimes to encourage cats to drink, but cats will often drink from a large plate or a large bowl where they can see a large surface. The other thing that they will often drink is flavoured water. Now that can be some water from some poached chicken or some flavoured water from tuna fish. Now that will be tuna fish in spring water, not the brine, which is salty. What is important is they're not given milk. Milk can give cats diarrhea, so that must be avoided at all costs. So providing that you've had the period of starvation for 24 hours or 6 hours and the drinking, they've stopped vomiting and they're well in themselves, then you can feed them a bland diet for the next 3 to 4 days. Now what a bland diet is something like some cooked chicken or some poached fish. And they get 4 to 5 small meals a day of a few teaspoonfuls at a time. Now what's important during the starvation period and during the bland diet period is that your cat hasn't access to any other food. So if your cat normally goes outside, this means he needs to be kept in. Now cats that go outside will normally toilet outside, so you will need to provide a litter tray and put some earth in the litter tray to encourage it to toilet inside. After the 3 to 4 days of bland diet, you can then slowly reintroduce its normal diet, providing it's remained well. And how we do that is to mix some of its normal diet in with the bland diet. And then over the next 3 to 4 days, we would hope that things would settle down. But at any period, should the cat become unwell, other symptoms become apparent, then you will need to contact the vet. For more information on Asda Pet Insurance, please go to asda.com/money.